As the survey team moves across the untouched terrain, the detailed models highlight the massive undertaking required for this phase of the project.
The initial site survey. The Red Hulk is utilizing the laser level to establish the baseline elevation before excavation begins.
Geotechnical analysis is crucial. Here we see the team drilling with a soil auger to determine
Need to reinforce this section here.
Agreed. The structural load requires additional bracing along the eastern wall.
The first step in any major build is surveying. The crew is establishing the boundaries using traditional stakes and lines.
The first step in any major build is surveying. The crew is establishing the boundaries using
Excavation deepens at the same spot. The Red Hulk and Yellow Batman direct the RC dump truck as the excavator loads the freshly dug earth. Fascinating look at the meticulous process of excavation. The detailed soil layers are clearly visible as the heavy machinery moves the earth.
Final connections made to the electrical panel and the pumps operational, the LED system powers on, completing this phase of the build.
The Hulk connects the pumps. Batman meticulously wires the LED array to the main panel, ensuring the site is fully powered.
With the final touches applied to the landscaping, the miniature oasis is complete. The ultra-detailed text. Final phase of the project showcases the stunning clarity of the water. As you can see, even the Red Hulk approves of the beautiful blue glow and lighting
Final
effect.
reveal showcases a stunning achievement. A true paradise meticulously crafted beneath the surface.